Manish Chatrat, Badai Secretary ka All India Congress Committee AICC, Badai Kmi ya Kajala Megalia, Ulong Bakat Kum Kajingtip Kaba Ulayo, Kipai Ba Kajala Klangya, Yakanika Sorkar, Megalia Democratic Alliance, MDA, Balayalam Yaka de NPP, Namar Kibabun Kijinkular, Omsim Lala Satya Ban Punulong, Lakalong, Haka Aikam Ajam, Neka Kam Kayidoyong. Ulong baka Congress kam don kam bakan lek kro yanu inuru nagam ta banyo sinchar hagajala Henry ka thong jong ka party ka long ban pen klanya ka nagam ta ka election house name arajar arpulai ulong namar bakani ka sarkar jala ka bamenta kamla ban pendep yaki kular bat ki paitba kinsa ya karai lengba election hakaba ulakren scam baka sarkar ha Meghalaya kan sakla hadin elections ulong baka Congress po Meghalaya ka scam hakaba baro kinongilam kilayatli bat ulagan ru baka don kajing dawa ban penkala yo unongilam haka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee nega MPCC.
See, the assessment one mode what I have received from most of the leaders is that the present government people are fed up. People are fed up because what all was promised has not been fulfilled by the government of the day. So the mood is changing. No, Congress as I rightly mentioned, in last 10 months, the way we have worked in the state during COVID, I don't think any other political party or any other organization has worked. So Congress has been with the people in the state, very close to them, especially when they required them. We are not approaching anybody. We are just organizing ourselves as the elections are 2 years ahead. After it is in the year 2023, we are just organizing ourselves and we are not approaching anybody. And I think our team, our PCC president, working president, our CLP leader, are all MLAs. They are capable enough to handle things on their own. No, I'm not saying we don't want anything, but we have not approached anybody.
So then you are preparing for 2023, no?
Definitely, any political party has to always be ready for elections.
No, what I am asking is, before that, will you be making an effort?
It is very difficult to answer this. It is very difficult to answer this. Because they are not able to fulfill their promises. You see the jobs. How many jobs are lying vacant? How many people have been given the jobs? There are so many issues. Illegal coal mining. So there are a lot of issues which they had promised when they came to power, and it has not been fulfilled. So it is for the people to decide. It is for the people to decide, and people will decide through elections only. And we are quite confident. We are quite confident the state is waiting for a change. As a single largest party, it was for the governor to call us. It was not for us to go and ask. And we don't believe in any horse trading or poaching. But we didn't have majority. As of now, what I feel, our MLAs, our MDCs, our PCC office bearers, we all stand united. So I don't see any reason to feel that there is any horse trading or anything happening at the moment. Congress is a united house. See the problem, there is no problem like this. I think there is problem created by somebody. There is no problem within the party. We are all sitting united out here.